Hey everyone. So I saw a video on YouTube about this LED headlight housing for the Husqvarna 701 Enduro. It looked a little bit interesting. It was cheap enough to play around with. It's not much more than just a replacement LED bulb, and since it's the whole housing, I figure it's worth it, even if it saves me from damaging the factory light with some rocks or things. It'd be worth it. So I'm going to throw it on and give it a try and see how it works. If they are still available on Amazon, I will post an affiliate link for those in case anybody else wants to try one. It's supposed to be a direct fit. Hopefully it'll mount right up and plug right into the factory harness. The directions that come with it do have some alternate pin locations for certain models, but I think on mine it should mount right up. So we'll give it a go here. First step, we just have to take off the factory headlight housing and get that separated. Now that we have that free, we can remove the stock halogen housing and put in the LED housing. Okay, we got that free. Alright, so these come with a whole mix of hardware. These top screws are the fine threaded ones, and they go in with a Phillips head. And I'll have to re-aim this after I mount it up. But next we got to get back on the bike. Alright, let's just do a quick test and plug this thing in and make sure that the wiring is all going to be right and going to work. Alright, so it looks like I am going to need to rewire it. The directions are incorrect. My Husky is a 2017, and it looks like the wiring matches up with what they say would be for the 2019 to 2022. Alright, so now we'll give that a try, see if that works. Hey, there we go, now we got some light. That should be low beam and running lights. And there should be the high beam. Alright, so now we just got to mount up that housing and then get it outside and aim the headlight. All right. And finally, most importantly,